What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair. I want to show you my very first YouTube video that we've put out. In the last few months I've been pumping out some content. This was the very first bit of footage I ever took. It's not very good, but you got to start somewhere. So check it out. What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair. Stopping over here at one of our accounts to take a look at this roof, so let's take a look at it. Pretty damaged through here. Got some pretty good wrinkles. They did drop a portion of the headliner for us to see, but it seems like it's all in the upper brace and the lower brace, so we're going to have to see what we can do with that. It's probably going to be all paddle tool. But I'll take another pic with the light on it. I'll let you guys take a look. It is kind of super stretched, so we're going to have to build some strength back in this corner. I'm hoping it's just with the crowning that we have going on throughout the repair. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, it's pretty wicked dent here. Pretty bad damage throughout it. Some crownage all over, even all the way down to the windshield edge. So, but we should be able to get this thing squared away without an issue. That's what we do here at RPS, specialize in roofs. What's up, guys? We're just finishing with this roof on this Impala. It was super stretched in the center. We ended up using the dingbat crown killer to get the crowns down, and I ended up having to dolly the rain gutter edge to get some strength back. But it turned out amazing. Customer's extremely happy with the repair. They originally wrote it to replace that roof. They knew the benefits of paintless dent repair and the quality of RPS dent repair. So I appreciate you guys watching. Keep your eyes out for the next one. See ya.